Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Aukey EP-N5 earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them because maybe they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or maybe there's sound only coming out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear. Doing a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. To do that is pretty simple to do. What we need to do is, first of all, let's turn the Bluetooth off on whatever devices, because we don't want to have it paired with anything that will interfere with the reset process. And once we're sure they're not connected to anything, we're going to put them into the case, and then we're going to take them out one at a time. We're going to take out the right ear first, and we're going to come in behind on this little touchpad area, and we're going to tap it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to wait a second. Then we're going to come back in and do it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to put the right earbud back in to the case, close the case, open the case, pull out the left ear, and then do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a second, and then do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it back in the case. Then take the right ear back out, and then do it again. So the right ear 5 times and 7 times, then the left ear 5 times and 7 times. Put it in the case, close the case, and then it will reset. And when you take them out, you should be able to repair them like new earbuds.